So, hey, good morning everyone. This is Saurabh Sagar from Pratishtha Education. So, today I am going to discuss a CSIR June 2019 question. So, all of you see that carefully. See, it is given that a precious stone breaks into four pieces, having a weight 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 4 is there. The value of such a stone is proportional to a square of its weight. So value is given, it's a proportional to a square of its weight. What the percentage loss in the value incurred due to the breaking? First of all, you try to find out the value before breaking. And before breaking, it is nothing but just add it all 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and it is equal to 10 and 10 square. It's 100. And if you find out the value of the stone after breaking, after breaking, so it will be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. And if you count it here, then it will be 30. Then what the percentage loss? Percentage loss is nothing but final minus initial divided by initial into. So we can say that 30 minus 100 divided by 100 into, that's a minus 70%. There is a 70% loss in there. Minus means it's indicating here loss. Okay, next question. Two runners starts together to run on a circular path, taking 6 and 8 minutes respectively to complete the route. Means there is a two runner is there. Let's say that there is a A and B. B is taking here 8 minutes, okay, and A is taking here 6 minutes. Now to do this question, just try to find out the what the length of the circular path. Length of circular path. We just take the LCM. This is called trick method. 6 and 8 LCM is 20. Now it's given that how many minutes later do they meet again for the first time on the starting line. Because they have started here and they are running on the track. So at what time they will meet together? Okay. So it is actually it is asking that meeting time. Meeting time is nothing but gap divided by relative speed. Now their relative speed will be how much? See, 24 is a length here. Okay. And A is taking 6 minutes and B is taking here 8 minutes. So if you divide by 24 divided by 6 means 4. So this 4 indicate that their speed 4 meter per second. And B is taking 8 minutes. It means 24 divided by 8 means 3 meter per second. You can say that. So A speed is, I got it here 4 meter per second and B speed I got it here 3 meter per second. So there the 24 divided by their relative speed would be 4 minus 3. Why? Because they are moving in the same direction. So that time the relative speed will be x minus y. That is a 24 by 1 minutes. So I will say that answer. Next, you see that here the distribution of a grade secured by the students in a class is given in the table below. What is the least population of the class? That is asking. So there's a grade A today it is given and the fraction of the population is 0.1 I can write on 1 by 10. This is a 4 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10. Means out of 10 students, 2 of them got grade B, 3 is grade C, D got it to, C is 3, B grade is 4 student and A grade is 1. And if you add them, you'll get it out. There is a population is there is a 10 students is there. Now the next question is that the 9 numbers x1 to x9 are ascending order and their average m is greater than the first 8 number. Which of the following is true? So this is the one important thing. Their average is greater than all the first 8 numbers. Okay, first two. You can assume the number using that. You can assume the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another number you assume that 45. Why? If you find it out, then the average will be greater than the remaining 8 numbers. But if you consider that 9 is there, and if you try to find out the average, it won't be greater. So I am assuming that some number it's 45. Okay. If you take that average of all the number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 1 plus 8 plus 45 divided by 9, if that, you will get the average is 9, and this 9 is greater than first 8 numbers, so it is satisfied. So this is nothing but it is equal to m. That is the average. It is saying that m. Okay. So now, if you take the here C option, if you take it the average like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 45, and average is m. M is also divided by 10. If you do that, you'll get it 9, because 1 to 8 it will be 8 in 45. 45 plus 45 is 90 plus 9 is 99. If you divide by 10 here, 90 you will get it here, because 1 to 8, if you add them 1 to 8, you will get it here something 35. Just add it here once, like 3 plus 3 is a 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 7 is 28, plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45, 45 plus 5 is 90, 90 divided by 10 is 9. I am getting the average of this one is 9. Now, what is the average of x1 to x9? So, x1 to x9 means you have already got it here. X1 to x9. This is the x1 is there and this is the x9 is there. And that is also 9 is there. It means both of them are equal. Equal means that is option number C. In everywhere you have to find out that one. But whether they are equal or greater, so it's a C option. They are equal. Now, the next question see that which among the following represents that woman, mother, and okay. So can we say that all mothers are women? Yes, all mothers are. And can we say that all women are human beings? Yes, that is. So your first option is correct. Now, next question see that here. How many quadrilateral does the following figure have? How many quadrilateral? See, if you see that if the square is like that, it is like there is a 2 cross 2 is the quadrilateral means what? That it contains the square and rectangle. So in that, how many quadrilateral is it? 1, 2 and 1, 2. Count it like that. And then you multiply. 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. You'll get it here 9. There is a 9 quadrilateral. Means there is a 2 square is there. 2 square means total number of quadrilateral is 9 plus 9. But this 1 square is common in both of them. So that one is subtracted. So actually it's 7. Now you try to find out the combined quadrilateral. Combined quadrilateral. The combined quadrilateral is nothing but one is this one, that is combination of the square, and another is just this one. So this is the combined quadrilateral. That 1 plus 1 is 2. The total number of quadrilateral is 19. The answer is option number C is right answer. Next, 12 balls, 3 each of the color is red, green, blue, and yellow are there. There's a, in a box is there, and there's a total 12 balls. And there's a red, green, blue, and yellow are there. If the 3 balls are picked at random, 3 balls were picking at a time, at a time, without replacement, then what is the probability that all the 3 balls are the same color? The same color means it could be either red or green or blue Then what is the probability of getting the red ball? So it's a 3C3. So 3 either. Here it is a either either. Either means you have to add it plus. 3C3 green, 3C3 blue, and 3C3 it's a yellow. And total number of ball is 12 is there. The 12 you are taking out 3 balls. So this one is called sample space. And this is called here favorable outcomes. If you simplify here, then 3C3 value is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 12C3 is nothing but 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. And that one you have to simplify. 4 divided by 12 factorial I can write on 12 into 11 into 10. 12 into 11 into 10. 9 factorial it will cancel. 3 factorial it will go 6. 6 to the 12. 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. So I am getting finally 1 by 55. 1 by 55 means your option number D is right answer. Okay, fine. Now the next question, see that here. Next question, read it everyone carefully. See, there is a 21 liters of water is there in a tank. It's to divide it into 3 parts. 21 you have to divide it into 3 equal parts. Means in each tank there should be a 7 liter in each tank. And using the 5, 8 and 12 liter capacity can is available. What is the minimum number of transfer needed to achieve it? So let's say that there's 3 tanks are there, 1, 2, and 3 tanks are there, and in that there is a 21 liters water is there. So what you do? First time you fill it 12 liter, means in that you fill it 12 liter. Okay, 12 liter you fill it, and second time what you do? 5 liter you take it out. Later take it out. Means I can say that if you fill it 12 liter, then here it will be 9 liter is remaining, and here it is a 12 liter. Okay, this is the first step. Second thing what you do, take it out 5 liter and fill it here. 5 liter we have taken out. So here it will be remaining 7 liter, because 12 minus 5 is 7 liter, and here it will be 9 plus 5 is 14 liter. Again from here you take it out 12 liter, 12 liter. Okay, and again you take it out, fill it 12 liter, and again take it out 5 liter here. See, 12 liter if you take it out, then here it will be 2 liter is remaining. Okay, and again if you take it out of 5 liter, then here 7 liter is, okay, and here the 2 liter it will get filled, because 5 liter you are taking out, then 5 plus 2 is 7. So in all of them it is 7. Then how many trial we have done that? So 1 2, okay, again this 12 liter here 3, again 5 liter we are taking out 4. So you have to do that total here 4 steps you need to take it out, to make it 3 7 parts. Okay, next question, see that of our agents alpha beta gamma delta, they have to be sent together on a mission. If alpha and beta cannot go together, okay, and beta and gamma cannot go together, then which of the following holds? We have to send it 3 agents. Okay, so any 3 agents can be sent. Can we send it here? Like we have a alpha, beta, gamma, and delta is there. 3 agents means if I select it alpha, gamma, and delta, alpha, gamma, and delta. Is it possible? Alpha, gamma, and delta. So any 3 agent cannot be possible. That is correct. Alpha, delta, and alpha, delta, and any out of beta and gamma can be sent. Can we send it here alpha, delta, and gamma? It is satisfying. Alpha and beta cannot go. That is correct. Beta and gamma cannot go. It's correct. But alpha, delta, and this one can be sent it out. See, Beta we can't send it out. Alpha, delta, and any out of beta and gamma can be sent. No, this is wrong because beta is included. Beta, gamma, okay, and any out of alpha and delta can be sent. No, the mission is impossible. Next, an open rectangular box is made by the excluding the four identical corners of a piece of the corner in the diagram and folding it along the dotted lines. Okay, what is the capacity of the box in cubic centimeter? See, I have to make the rectangular box and we have to fold it. Fold it means what you do? 10 centimeter you take it out. So this side it is how much is remaining here? From here to here, it's a 20. Because 10 you are excluding here, 10 excluding here. Okay. And here also you excluded 10, so it's a 20 here. And this side also it will be here 20. And this side also here it will be 20. Then this one will act as a height of the rectangular because it will become a cuboid. If you fold it here it will become a cuboid and the length is 20, breadth is 20, and the height is 10 because this one will act as a height, this part, all the four corners. Then we know that the volume of cuboid is LBH is there. So 20 into 20 into 10 and 2 to the 4, it's a 4000 centimeter. So option number C. Next, which of the following is the largest? Like 2 raised to 50, 3 raised to 40, 4 raised to 30, and 5 raised to 20. So whenever you are finding the largest surge, in that either you try to make base or power is same. Any way you can make it same. Base or power. I am going to write on this one as a 2 raised to 5 into 10, 3 raised to 4 into 10, 4 raised to 3 into 10, and 5 raised to 2 into 10. And simplify the base. 2 raised to 5 is 32, 3 raised to 4 is 81, 4 raised to 3 is 64, and this is at 25. Which base is greater? So obviously 81 is greater. 81 is greater means that one will be your largest one. Next, you see that here a monkey climbs a tree to eat the fruit, and the amount of energy gained from eating the fruit and the energy spent in climbing on a different branch having relationships shown in the figure. And it is given that the ratio of energy gained to the energy spent will be maximum. Any energy gain divided by energy spent, I need to find out maximum. So maximum we can say that at a point where the slope of the curve is maximum, at a point where the slope of the curve is unity, at a point on the curve where the tangent is passing through the origin. This is the correct. Where the tangent is passing through the origin. Because at this point, uh, the, the ratio or the slope will be maximum at this point. And it must passes through the origin. Your option number C is right answer. Next, see that here. In the given circle, O is the center. Okay. And angle, I take another color here. Angle PAO is 40 degree, PBQ is 30 degree, and AOB is 220 degree. See, if you just join that A and B point, and this is at 220 degree, this will be how much? 140 degree. But total it has to be 360 degree. Now you know that one circle property. If at the center, if it is a 2x angle is there, so at the circumference it will be x, and just half of the center, and it's a 70. And one more property is there, like I'll just draw that here. If this is the chord is here, okay, and here it is a 2x is there, then at the center with the same chord it will be x, that is just half. And with the same chord at any point on the circumference, it will be the same angle. So this is the 70, so this will be also 70. So I can say that AQB will be how much? That's a 70 degree. Okay. Next question, see that here. A long ream of paper, a long ream of paper of thickness T. Okay, is rolled tightly. Okay, it is rolling tightly, and as the roll becomes the larger, the length of the paper wrapped in one turn exceeds the length of the previous turn is how much? See, if you wrap it, it will become like a circle. Okay, so this time the length of the paper wrapped in one turn, the length in the previous turn is again if you wrap it, the thickness here will come and this thickness. So one time if you wrap it, then we know that a perimeter of a circle is nothing but 2 pi t. Okay, this is the one term. And if you go for the second term, so that time the perimeter will be equal to, see, second time it will be like we can say that this is the 2 pi r. Actually, formula is a 2 pi r is there. Okay, if you go for like 2 pi and this time the r will be equal to this t plus t is a 2t. 2t means it will become 2 times of 2 pi t. If you find out the difference here, so there is a difference is nothing but 2 pi t. Your option number D is right answer. 2 pi t. Why 2 pi t? Because then thickness it will increase because diameter it will become 2 times. Okay, so 2 pi t. Next, you see that here a point A on the wheel of radius r touches the horizontal point at P. Okay, it rolls without slipping till a point is first reached to the highest position in the first turn. Okay, so what is the distance from A to P? A to P means I can see that here. See, point A on the wheel of radius r, okay, touches the horizontal plane at a point P. So when this wheel will rotate, okay, so this A point is reaching here. So you just make one right angle triangle like that. Okay, so this will be nothing but it's a 2r because this is r, this is r. This length will be 2 actually. Let's say that this point is a P dash is there. So we need to find out here actually AP. And this one will be how much? See, this one is rolling here one time. One time means it's a 2 pi r. And this distance is nothing but 2 pi r. I have to find out the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse will be AB is equal to root under 2r whole square plus 2 pi r whole square. You will get it here 2r, you take it outside. Okay, 1 plus pi square, you get it. And that is your option number D, right answer. Okay, next question, see that that is a last question. A canal system is shown in the figure and water flows from A to B through the two channels. There is a gate number 1 and 2 are operated independently to regulate the flow, and probability of G1 to open is 10%. This probability is given. G1 is 10%. Okay, probability of G1 is 10%. And probability of G2 it is given here 20%. Okay, then what is the probability that the water will flows from A to B? See, A to B means if the water is flowing from A to B means that can flow through either gate number 1 or gate number 2. So I'll write it down, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is called addition theorem. This is called addition theorem in probability. Now both the gate is operated independently. Independently means P of A, P of B, and independently means it will become P of A into P of B. Means gate 1 is not affecting the gate 2 or gate 2 is not affecting the gate 1. So this is the multiplication theorem here it comes. If it is an independent event, for independent event. Write it down here, P of A is 10 plus 20 minus 10 into 20. Okay. Just a minute. I'll write it down because probability must be less than 1. So this is the 0.1, 10% means 0.1, 20% means 0.2 minus 0.1 into 0.2. So This is the point 0.3 minus 0.02, and point 0.3 minus 0.02 is at 0.2. 0.28 is nothing, 28%. Your option number is right. This is the things I have discussed, that is a CSIR 19 question is there, and it's a general paper is there. Okay, thank you everyone.